Hello everyone! Today, we will be discussing 5 natural food items that can help cure stomach ulcers. Although stomach ulcers are usually caused by viruses or bacteria, certain foods can exacerbate the condition. These natural foods, on the other hand, can help soothe the painful ulcers and promote faster healing. 1. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant food that can help reduce the severity of stomach ulcers. It contains compounds called allicin and S-allomercaptocystine that help neutralize harmful substances and promote healing. 2. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is a great natural remedy for relieving stomach discomfort, including stomach ulcers. Its mint leaves and volatile oils work to relax the muscles in the stomach and intestines, reducing the occurrence of heartburn and indigestion. Drinking a cup of peppermint tea regularly can help alleviate stomach ulcer symptoms. 3. Ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and antacid that can help soothe the irritation in the stomach caused by stomach ulcers. It contains compounds called shogaols and zingerones that provide relief from indigestion and heartburn. Consuming ginger tea or including ginger in your meals can help improve stomach ulcer symptoms. 4. Spinach. Spinach is a rich source of vitamin K, A, C, and iron. These nutrients work together to strengthen the immune system, promote proper digestion, and aid in the healing of wounds. Studies have shown that consuming spinach can help reduce the risk of developing stomach ulcers and improve the healing process. 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that can help protect the body against damage from free radicals. They are also a good source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system and promotes faster healing of wounds. Consuming blueberries can help improve the symptoms of stomach ulcers, such as heartburn and indigestion. In conclusion, these 5 natural foods can help cure stomach ulcers by reducing inflammation, promoting faster healing, and soothing the irritation in the stomach. Incorporating these foods into your diet can provide relief from stomach ulcer symptoms and improve overall health.